Welcome to Getting Started with Riverside. In this video, we're going to walk through the dashboard for your Riverside account so you can have an idea of where things are, where to go for your recordings, to start a new recording, and more. To log into your Riverside account, first go to riverside.fm, or you can go to riverside.fm/login and bookmark that page to easily access it in the future. On our website, click the login button in the top right, and then log in with your Riverside account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of already created studios. You can also create a new studio using that button, and we have a whole video walking you through the settings for creating a new studio. You can check that out above or the link below this video. For studios you've already created, you have an Invite People button, and when you click that, you're able to copy and paste a link for guests that will be participating in your recording. You can also invite audience members to watch live or producers. You can learn more about those producer and audience modes in our other videos. You can also choose to put a guest email here and invite them right from the Riverside dashboard. You can adjust settings for your studio by clicking the gear icon in the top right, and if you'd like to learn more about the studio settings, check out the video above or the link below. Now, if you've already used a studio to record something, you can click the View Recordings button, and it will take you to all of your previous recordings for this studio. One of the questions we hear from creators is if they should create a new studio every time they record. That's not the case. If you're going to record multiple episodes for a single podcast, it's good to continue to use the same studio for all the episodes of that podcast. Then when you visit this recordings page, you can view all your previous episodes in one place. On your recordings page, if you click this link icon, that will copy and paste a URL, and whoever you send that to will have access to all of these recordings. If you have a producer or editor for your show, that's what you'd like to send them so they can access and download all of the video and audio tracks for all of the recordings in the studio. There's another Invite to Studio button where you can send a guest link, and there's the shortcut to going into the studio to record. You also have the settings gear icon, which shows you all of the studio settings that we saw before. To download the individual tracks or export a recording, click the episode or recording you have here, and on this page you're able to download the high-quality raw video and audio tracks. You can export your project to something like Adobe Premiere Pro, download all the high-quality tracks for every participant all at once. You can click this link icon, which will give someone access just to this specific recording. So if you don't want to give someone access to all of the recordings in the studio and just want to give them access to a single episode, use the link on this individual recordings page. And you can click the three dots to access transcriptions, recording IDs, and you can copy a link to an upload page if a guest closed their computer before everything finished uploading. You can also click the edit button, which gives you the option to create full length or clips of your episode. And you can learn more about our editor in the video linked below. Going back to the studio listing page after you log into your Riverside account, the Go to Studio button is where you go to record new content. Once you click Go to Studio, you'll see the Riverside lobby. We have an entire video going through our studio and pre-flight checklist, everything you should check on this page and inside the studio right before you record, and you can check out that video below as well. From here, after you choose your microphone, video, and speaker output, you select whether or not you're wearing headphones and click Join Studio, and now you're ready to record some new content. So that's a walkthrough of our Riverside dashboard. If you have any questions and you're watching on YouTube, you can leave a comment below. Or on our website, reach out to our support team and they would love to help you. Subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have lots of content on equipment recommendations, how to automate your podcast workflow, and advanced techniques for video podcasting. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.